Major announcement here. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments. I love to read every one of them. Y'all got a major announcement here. I did talk about it a little bit on this morning's video, but if you didn't see that video, I'm going to cover it in more depth right here. As you all know, I had that other YouTube channel, How to Make Money. That channel is not growing fast enough with watch hours to get monetized, but it is growing fast in the sense of subscribers. We're almost ready to monetize with subscribers, but without 400 watch hours, we can't subscribe, and that's where it's hurting at. Not enough people are actually watching the videos and watching them all the way through. So I'm going to close that channel down. I've already started bringing videos over here. I've got a money video on this channel every day at 9 a.m. But as you know, we have a contest going over there. $500 when we reach 1,000 subscribers. Y'all, I'm not taking that contest away. I'm going to implement it right here. I'm going to tell you how in just a minute. As you know, we also got a contest going here for $1,000 when we reach 100,000 subscribers. We're not that far away. We're about 22 and some change thousand away. That's very doable fast. People that's not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. You've got a very good chance of winning some money. People that are subscribed, thank you very much. Okay, right here we've got 100. When we reach 100,000 subscribers, we will have a $1,000 giveaway. That will be $100 every day for 10 days. One person will win $100 every day. And the way I'm going to pick those people is the comments on the video the day before. I'm going to pick one person randomly from the comments from the day before to get $100. Then the next day, I'm going to do the same thing. The day before, $100 to one person. You have to watch every day in order to know if you win or not. That's 10 days that you got to watch. Then at the end of that 10 days, for the next week, the $500 that I was going to give away on the other channel, I'm going to give away on that next week to one person. One person will get $500. And I'm going to do it the same way. From the comments the day before, I will pick one person. Now, the kicker of this is, on the $1,000 giveaway, you got to watch every day to know if you won. On the $500 giveaway, it starts on the 11th day and goes to the 18th day, I think, if my math is right. Okay, I could give it away on the 11th day or on the last day of that week. We don't know. Or it could be one day in the middle. But you have to watch every day to know if that is the day I'm giving it away. And comment every day. So I will, on the day that I give it away, I will pick a person from the comments the day before. Okay, another big thing with this, if you've already won the $100, you can still qualify to win the $500. So you can either win $100, you could win $500, or you could win $600. But you have to comment every day of those 10 days and then the week after. Y'all, I will send it to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, I'm sorry, PayPal is the only thing that I deal with. I will have to send you a paper check in the mail. So be prepared to give me your address if you don't have a PayPal account. you will still qualify to win the money, and I will still send you the money. You'll just have to get it in a check instead of PayPal instantly. Y'all, a lot of people are worried about PayPal. They don't trust PayPal. I've used PayPal for 12 years. I've never had a problem with them. Never once any problem at all. And anytime I call them, they're Johnny on the spot answering my questions. I love PayPal. So, y'all, stay tuned. You got a chance to win some good money. Please watch my 9 o'clock videos every day about making money online. With all the stimulus stuff going on, if you've got your own business online, you don't really need to worry about the stimulus stuff. I don't need the stimulus. I'm doing very good. I do the stimulus stuff for the people that does need it. Y'all, I have a video every morning at 6 a.m. about stimulus checks and stimulus package. I have a money video every day at 9 a.m. Please come back and watch those. If you're not subscribed, now's the time to subscribe. And please give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and just know I love you all. Ciao.